More with spiders today, and Mrs. Man, are you ready? So, my little spider bucket is back, and can you see how many legs are on the spider? Can you count those? Now show me on your fingers how many legs the spiders have. Boom, 8 spider legs. So we're going to turn into spiders. That's right. We are going to turn into spiders. So you need a black piece of construction paper. Don't have black, make it any color you want. I chose black because black reminds me of spiders, but there are many, many different spiders. So this is a great way to practice your cutting, and we're cutting straight lines. So first I'm going to cut. I have a great big piece of construction paper. Yours might be a little bit smaller. That's okay. You just might have to make 2 strips. You want to make sure your strip can fit around your head like so. Okay, so we'll put that aside. And then we need, how many strips do we need for the legs? That's right, we need 8 strips. So I'm going to cut I'm going to use this paper for my 8 legs, and let me see, I'm going to fold it in half, and then I'm going to make my legs. So I'm going to cut about this wide for a leg. Because I folded it in half, I now have 2. So I'm going to keep it folded, and I'm going to do that again about the same width. That means the amount across. Two. Plus 2. And I need 8. So I'm going to keep cutting till I get my 8. So let's see what we're at so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 2 more. There, don't need that piece. So now we have our 8 legs. Now what are we going to do with these legs? Well, we're going to kind of use our fingers. We're going to kind of fold it like a fan. So this is really good fine motor. You fold it one way, and then the other way, and you go back and forth, and we'll see what happens to the leg. And this might take a while, and that's okay. Ta-da! We made a little leg. Now, if you want your legs to be longer, just make longer strips. Okay? So it makes, what kind of line is that? It's like a zigzag line. So we need 8 of these little guys. I'll make 1 more, so you're folding it one way and then you're folding it the other. Back and forth. Yeah, this could take a while because there's 8 legs. That's okay. It's good to use your fingers for fine motor. Ta-da! There's another one. Okay, so I'm going to start just to show you. So here's our headband. Before you attach it, we have to make some spider eyes. So I actually had this left over from yesterday. You know, Mrs. Man, she's all about recycling. So I'm going to keep it folded, and I'm going to make a circle. I'm going to keep it folded, and I'm going to cut my circle out. These are going to be my eyes. Now you could even make those a bit bigger. Now if you notice in this little spider's eyes, backwards, they have some little black dots. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to make little black dots, little black circles. And now they do look like spider eyes. So I'm going to glue those on in the middle of my headband. You know what? You could make those a little bit bigger too. Ooh. And I'm going to attach it. I'm going to measure my head first, then I'm going to attach it. And I'm actually going to use a staple. You can use tape. Actually, I'm going to use tape because sometimes the staple kind of gets caught in your hair and that's not fun. So I'm going to use tape. Make sure this fits. Everything's backwards, so it's confusing. So there's my spider eyes. I can see you, but I don't have any legs. We have to attach our legs. So now you can attach your legs after you've folded them all. And you know what? I think I'm going to, you can use glue, of course. If you don't think that's going to do the trick, then you can certainly use some tape. So I will attach my two that I've made, and then you can work away and make the rest of your legs. And there you have it. There's this beginning of my spider hat. Is it scary? Does it scare you? And I put a really cute little song on there where the spider starts on the floor and then he moves up to your leg and he keeps moving up and up and up and up. So that's a really fun song that you can do too. So have fun making your little spider headbands. And I wonder what's planned for tomorrow. See you soon.